How to bypass Discord phone number verification. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can bypass Discord phone number verification. So follow along. First of all, open any type of browser on your PC and search for temp number. Now select any of the websites you like. After opening a website, simply select any of the country that you prefer. Now select the number you like and just copy it. After copying, open up the Discord application on your PC. Since my account doesn't require any type of verification, I'll show you by adding a new phone number. So I'll head into the settings of my account. Now choose the country from the drop down list and paste the number. After pasting the number, simply click on send and verify the CAPTCHA. After verifying the CAPTCHA, simply it is a hit and trial process. So you just have to try numbers and see if it works. After trying several numbers, I got this one that worked for me. After clicking on the send button, it asked me to check the messages and paste in the code that they have sent. After updating messages, simply select the code, copy it and paste it into the Discord application. After that, simply tap on verify. That's how you can bypass Discord phone number verification. Thanks.